Okay, I wanted to do a short video which has to do with reactions in water, okay? Because it's a little confusing sometimes, all right? Because if I take a metal in water, I make the metal hydroxide and hydrogen. But if I take a metal oxide in water, I only make the metal hydroxide. I don't make the hydrogen, all right? And so what I want to do is just summarize these, and I want you to spend some time really focusing on this, because this is where much of the confusion comes when you get to a test. You go, oh, I'm throwing that in water. I don't remember what happens. Okay? So a metal in water, this is a single replacement reaction. Okay? Remember, we think of water as H and OH. The sodium comes in and kicks out the H, and you get H2, and you're left with NaOH. Okay? And then, of course, you got to balance. Okay? So this is actually a single replacement reaction. Right? If I were taking a metal oxide, though, like sodium oxide instead of just sodium, remember, that's what we call a basic anhydride, and it makes a base. So it just makes the sodium hydroxide. There's no hydrogen involved. Okay, this is a different kind of reaction, right? This is a synthesis reaction. So different things are happening. Okay, if I take a non-metal oxide like SO3 and water, this is your acid anhydride, right? So we're going to make an acid. I scribbled. Remember, you just add everything up. 2 H's, an S, and 4 O's. Okay? And then a metal hydride. What's a metal hydride? Remember, hydride is H minus. So something like NaH and water. This is actually a double replacement reaction. Okay? All right? This too is a synthesis down here. So none of this is new, but I'm just sort of summarizing it because it's pretty easy to confuse it. So Na plus, H minus, H plus, OH minus, middle 2, outside 2 make NaOH, the inside 2 make H2 gas. So that's just another example of a double replacement reaction. So there's nothing really new here, but these are the equations that you're going to tend to confuse with each other. So spend some time really thinking about these, okay, so that you get them right.